guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're still looking to get inspired with Georgette fabric, we have the perfect Georgette embroidery fabric for any kind of occasions, be it a function or a party. So let me show you. Now the unique part about this Georgette fabric is that you've got the panel work done for you already, so you can customize it easily into a nice lehenga for yourself. As you take a closer look at all of this embroidery work, you can see that there is foil work done, sequin work and thread work done across the panel, which gives it a very royal and different unique look. So you can easily customize or tailor this and you can create a beautiful lehenga for yourself. Even an anarkali can be created with this kind of fabric for the bottom. So if you take a look at all of the sequin work, it's in nice shades of pink color, which gives a good contrast to the white shade of Georgette. Now this also can be perfectly dyed into whatever fabric color that you're looking for, and it will look really beautiful. So if you want to create any kind of Indian wear outfits with this kind of fabric and you want something lightweight, Georgette fabric would be perfect for it. Now this next Georgette fabric is different from others because the embroidery work that you see on it has already beautiful colors, and it has a gorgeous border work which has been done in nice sequin and zari work. Now we've customized this into beautiful waistcoats and sherwanis before as well for our clients, and we've created nice lehengas with this fabric. So this is the perfect fabric for creating any kind of lehenga looks if you're using Georgette fabric. Now if you take a look at the embroidery work, it's been done in nice gold zari, and you can take a look at the minimal sequin work and all of the colors that have been used on this fabric, giving it a very different and unique look. Now this is not in a white shade, it has a little bit of cream effect to it, so it's perfect even for menswear or women's wear. Now in this next fabric, we've selected a nice beige shade of Georgette fabric, and the beautiful embroidery work that you see is all thread work and a minimal level of zari work with nice sequin work. Now if you take a look at the body, it's heavily embroidered with beautiful floral work and it looks really gorgeous. Even if you take a closer look at it and create a beautiful lehenga, a kurta, or even if you want to create a nice sherwani with this kind of Georgette fabric for a lightweight wedding look, this fabric would look beautiful. Now if you take a look at the border as well, it's beautifully embroidered with amazing design and it has a white border. So even if you want to create a gorgeous lehenga for yourself or even a sari and add a nice border to this, it would look really beautiful and it would give a really grand effect if you're going for a wedding look or any kind of occasion of that kind. Now we've been showing you a lot of white shades and neutral shades, so here I've got you a nice shade of colors and Georgette fabric that we have here. Now in this collection, I'm showing you something that is more pastel in shade. So a pastel baby pink color looks really beautiful to create any kind of lehenga or menswear outfits. If you take a look at all the white embroidery work done on the pastel, it gives the perfect look if you're going for a pastel theme wedding or any occasion with pastel theme. Now if you take a look at the border work too, it's been beautifully done with floral work and minimal embroidery work in nice silver zari too. So this is also perfect to create any kind of menswear, women's wear outfit, and has been customized earlier also by our clients to create beautiful outfits. Now the color that you see is a beautiful Rani pink color. As I showed you earlier, a nice beige shade in this kind of Georgette embroidery. We've got a really nice vibrant shade of color too, which would look perfect for any wedding occasion for brides as well or for bridesmaids. So if you see the thread work done here, it's a nice colorful thread work, sequin work and gold zari work, which makes it a mix of perfect embroidery that you're looking on a fabric. And if you look at the border here, it's beautifully done in nice designs and it looks really regal. So if you want to create a beautiful lehenga with this, it would be the ideal fabric for it. Even if you want to create an anarkali, this would look really different and unique on you. Now this is one of the fabric that was trending earlier as well, because a lot of women were creating beautiful lehenga sets and other kind of ethnic wear with this kind of shade. Now this shade is perfect for any kind of skin tone too, because it's a beautiful violet color which will look perfect in brown skin. So if you see the gold zari work done on this, it's beautifully done in nice light gold, and it has beautiful sequin work done very minimally. Now there is an Alia Bhatt lehenga that has been created just like this fabric. So this fabric would be ideal to create that lehenga, or if you want to create any kind of anarkali suit set and you really want to stand out, this fabric would look beautiful and heavy on you, perfect for any wedding occasions or any functions that you're going for. Even if it's a reception party, this kind of fabric would look perfect on you. Now this Georgette fabric that you see would come under a pastel shade because of how beautiful the color is. It's in a nice pista green color. It gives a little bit of a lighter shade selected here. Now if you take a look at the embroidery work done on this, it's a nice thread work embroidery with beautiful sequin work. Now this fabric too is perfect for any pastel occasion, theme wedding, or any kind of wedding outfits or puja functions in the day out, because this fabric would really stand out in the day out. Now you can create a nice menswear outfit with this, or a lehenga too. Even if you want to create a couple outfit, this fabric would look ideal for it. You can see all of the pastel embroidery work done on this base color, so all of this looks very minimal and beautiful, not very grand but very subtle and gorgeous. So if you want to customize this into any kind of outfits, be it a sari as well, this fabric would look very good on you. In this next fabric that we've selected, it's another beautiful georgette fabric. Now this one has a little bit of a heavy and grand look because of all the sequin work that you see with embroidery work across the body. It's a nice shades of gold, and you can also see a little bit of other kind of sequin work which has been shown in nice zari work. So the zari and gold sequin work which makes it look perfect for any party looks. You can create a gorgeous lehenga with this, or even if you want to dye it into a beautiful shade of color, we've got a great variety of colors that you can dye from. Now in this next georgette fabric, this one also is quite heavy with all the embroidery work that you see. It's in beautiful sequin work and thread work. Now if you take a look at the thread work that has been done, it's very nicely been embroidered across this fabric, giving it a very royal and regal effect. So if you want to create a beautiful sherwani, vest coat, or any menswear outfit or a lehenga with this kind of fabric, it would look perfect. You can also take a look at all of the silver sequin work which has been done over the body, which makes it look very beautiful and will shine in any kind of nighttime looks or daytime too. If you're going for any pastel shades, you can select it from the shade card and create a very gorgeous lehenga for yourself, because it will look really beautiful for a wedding occasion too. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment. For any details, subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media handle. If you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.